My island in the sun, no. My island home, my island home. Let me tell you about where I'm from. My island in the sun, no.
Transit days start before the sun, running on checklist logic and coffee fumes, because being awake at 6 doesn't mean you're actually functional yet. And just like a flight crew, everything has to work. Engines, navigation, autopilot, charts. Because when weather turns uncooperative, small failures turn into big problems fast. On days like this, electronics are helpful, but seamanship still matters. When systems disagree, the compass and paper charts become your best friends. The day starts smooth, quiet, almost suspiciously calm. Just like that, another blustery day.
For reasons only the weather gods understand, the wind is coming out of the north-northeast this time of year, which means rough seas and slow, punishing transits. Today is no exception. Once we clear Diamond Island north of Ronde, we're in open water, hoping the land effect eases and gives us a break.
Or makes it worse. Stay tuned. Boats heading downwind are having a much better day than we are.
This is a full-on rodeo ride. Reminds me of what our follower Paul Little says. Great reason to stay tucked into a quiet anchorage. But while ships are safe at harbor, that's not what ships are for.
At least this brown booby is enjoying the updraft off Monashee.
I do enjoy watching boobies go up and down.
Seriously? Are you 12?
Just getting no luck on the wind. 25 knots, 24 knots. Dead nose. So we're going to weasel our way up around the coast here, through here, and then straight up to get to Union Island, because it's way over there. So we need to head up here, then get some good wind.
Sandy Island, just north of Carriacou, has always been a must-stop for cruisers, until Hurricane Beryl erased most of what made it famous.
Beauty can disappear fast out here.
Wind can be your best ally or your worst enemy.
Today, we're choosing to work with it. Clean power, proper trim, and patience.
Chatham Bay sits on the west coast of Union Island in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. It's one of the best natural anchorages in the Caribbean, protected from the easterly trade winds by steep hills. The bay has black volcanic sand, good holding, and clear water for snorkeling with abundant sea life. Once used mainly by fishermen, it's now a key stop for cruising boats exploring the southern Grenadines. When we say the bay is alive, we mean alive. And who exactly is inspecting our anchor setup?
Politicians will always be nemesis, and that will never change. Treat the poor like a savages. Lone poverty, me see them bring we from then till now. Right, you know, me say we tired of the politics, yo. How I teach the youths about the Nazarene vow, so me calling all right.
These triggerfish kept circling us until it clicked. This isn't curiosity, this is their home, and apparently a maternity ward.
Youth's intelligence grows, so me tell you, say the time is now. Rise up, wise up, fight for your rights. We say fall in line, it's about that time.
With Tenuta Resort rebuilding after Hurricane Beryl, we're able to clear in here instead of walking an hour and a half to customs. It costs $30 extra and saves sweat, time, and sanity.
Plus cold drinks and shade while paperwork happens, worth every penny.
Try to make like you're happy to be here. Yay! It's rough being in Chatham Bay, you know it. Glad to see you guys again. So this morning, we're going on an adventure hike with a guy named Alex, who's lived here his entire life. Doesn't have an education certification, but he calls himself the professor of history. So it'll be you, she, helmet, you, me.
Yep.
Hopefully it'll be a good time to learn about this area, a little bit of the Caribbean history, and who knows what'll happen.
So the 7 years war came to an end. Many territories which were French, were now up for grab or given to the British. And then on Union Island, because of this, we had some British settlers. Because, you know, in those days, people in the industry, they would have been paying a lot of attention to all the colonial happenings. You understand? So when they knew that Britain take over here and there, these British people, they rushed to go there. And it is the same thing that happened. You have British settlers coming in. And the British settlers that come in, they were called, it was a man called, Samuel Span and his brother John. And they had a business or an enterprise that was called S&J Enterprise. They were slave traders. They were based in Bristol, but these guys were of Scottish descent. This is why on the island we have a lot of people with Scottish surnames. So they started up a program that they refer to as sharecropping, where the free slaves would continue to work the land, but at the time of harvest they would have to give even more than half of that produce to the same former slave owners, and then whatever little is left, they have to try to make a living. It was not until 1979, on the 27th day of October, that St. Vincent and the Grenadines, including Union Island, became independent from Britain. When they ask me about slavery, you know what I say? Frankly, this was simply and basically the civilization of the day. Okay? No one can change that. No one can change that.
Just have to learn from it
We just
and
have
not
to-
repeat it.
And not repeat it.
Exactly.
You understand? So, this is Union and we are here now. We are anchored at Chatham Bay. We are actually on the beach at Chatham Estate. So this is where we are now. Cow, pigs, chickens. Okay?
Okay.
So this is about it.
If we see a chicken, we should bring one back for the rooster.
Yeah,
that's
for the
the rooster that's over there all by himself.
One of the gentlemen I used to work with, he said the more keys you have on your keychain, the harder your life.
Yes, that's right. That's right. Because it's too many to sort through. You understand?
Yeah. No, a little bit more simple life. Truly, that's one of the joys of cruising on a sailboat, is you don't have all the things and the problems around you. I haven't driven a car really in several months, close to a year. And that does not hurt me.
That doesn't hurt you at all.
No. Obviously, all Hurricane Beryl damage.
Yes. Very strong winds.
Yeah.
Direct hit. What you call seed dispersal.
Papaya came from Hurricane Beryl.
Yes, and it was not only one. There was one here, this right here.
Yeah.
There used to be a lot long. Look,
Wow.
Look, there's another one.
Yeah.
Been sitting watching life pass from the sidelines.
The island was armed militarily. Junction or around the same time when America was fighting for independence war, the Revolutionary War. American privateers of this far like to apply slave trade, whilst one hand of British society they were trying to get rid of it, make it look as though they were paying people or something like that. They were arming the islands against these American privateers.
From cannons to luxury homes and pigs feeding at a trough, all within view. A reminder that power shifts, money concentrates, and life carries on, usually hungry for more.
It's from the cars. It started a symphony.
Alex casually points out the hour-long walk to customs we just avoided.
In the heat of the day, thank you again, Tenuta Resort.
It's been an amazing time on tour with Alex. If you come to Union Island, make sure you seek him out. If you go to Chatham Bay, he will find you. He's got a great paddleboard, yellow one. Love to give you a number, but he's rebuilding his house and everything else after that, so priorities first. Thank you very much, Alex.
Thank you. You'll have a great tour with me, I guarantee you. 100%.
After hours in the sun and history under our boots, we cool off the best way possible with our most incredible dive of the season. small electric ray, 2 electric organs capable of generating up to 37 volts to stun prey and defend itself.
That was unexpectedly shocking.
Then the grand finale, a spotted eagle ray gliding past like it owns the ocean.
A few slow wing beats, and gone. If you're enjoying this journey, tap like and subscribe. It helps more curious souls find their way here too, like Kit Powell, Sandy Williams, Maureen Pankotai, Paul Little, and Carly Bailey.
But as evening came, we had a dinner date with Ushi and Helmet at Vanessa's Beach Restaurant.
Nice.
Oh.
Good sized lobster.
Onions.
Nice. Everything was wiped out. All the buildings were gone. The resort is gone. Everything is gone. But I still am going to give this place 4 stars for an anchorage. It is extraordinarily beautiful. And the sea life, as you see in the video, is just amazing. And as Vanessa says, you make do with what you got. And when it's all taken from you, you do your best. And look what they've done to spruce it up a little bit. Very cool. Six hours of 150 knots. Wow.
Wow. But we held on under our bed, praying that nothing came and hit us because things was flying everywhere from all the houses. Everybody's roof was off. I cry and I stay under my bed for 6 hours in the pool of water. Yeah. I could not have moved because it was galvanized wood, stones, all kinds of things. It was terrible. Not a very good one. Yeah. 1 more hour or half an hour more. Yeah, Union Island would have been flat. Yeah.
Well, cheers to making it through and rebuilding. And we'll be telling people about you guys to come here.
And we are so glad that we
Life.
good love. Yep. Good life, peace, and love. That's it. Enjoy.
Thank you.
And as silly as it sounds, we help out by supporting their businesses and buying their crafts, and enjoying their pop-up restaurants while spreading the word so everyone can benefit, as we are all in this together to enjoy this big blue world.
Beans and rice. Some potatoes. Some plantains. And look at that. And some green salad. Oh, that looks good.
Thanks for sharing our journey and subscribing, and check out this next video as we believe Mother Teresa would have liked it too.
Watch it by the platinum demise.